You know, I love Suunto watches, but every time I purchase one, they seem to come with some challenges. Just learning hurdles to get over to the next thing. Maybe it's like trying to figure out how to log your activities, or maybe it's just like where to find good information on the internet to do the functionality that you want to do. Maybe it's even like playing music through your headphones from the watch. I had a heck of a time finding that one. So I've created these specific videos to help you understand how to use your Suunto 7. So let's jump right in. Hey, I'm John from johnlagordia.com. Thanks for joining me today. I'm here to help adventurers choose gear that will actually last. On this channel, sometimes I do outdoor gear reviews, from everything from tents to photography gear that you can use in the outdoors. I also do tutorials, how to use your camera, how to take better pictures, how to do better editing. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Thanks, it means the world to me. All right, let's jump on in. So here we have the Suunto 7. And in a couple of minutes or less, I'm going to give you a pro tip on how you can check your daily heart rate with this watch. Now, if you're interested in tracking how your heart rate changes throughout the day, definitely use Google Fit. The easiest way to get to Google Fit is just by tapping the microphone, open Google Fit, and that will open the application on your watch. You can then scroll through all the information within Google Fit. If you want to check your heart rate, scroll down to where it says heart rate and tap on that button. It'll tell you your heart rate for the day. This was mine an hour ago, and what your resting rate is. It'll also give you a comparison over time for the day, and also some activities that you did this week as well. And that is the easiest way that you can get your daily heart rate on the Suunto 7. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you need more pro tips on how to use your Suunto 7, just click the card above. We'll see you in the next video.